slice and slice it up. D, it's not eat the banana, you don't pay for the banana yet, D. Guys, they eating the banana, she don't pay for it. So when them, so she's gonna eat up all the banana before paying for it. So what's gonna happen when the guy is gonna count? How much banana gone already? Over here, Margarita's bill. It is so rough. Look at that. Look. Oh my days. Look how rough it is. The sea is so rough. The sea is so rough.
Yeah. When in the day, she let Moby.
Yeah, she not gonna link up today.
Oh, I'm watching her every time, you know.
Yeah, pick up yourself.
Dress up, D. Alright.
Well. So Baba your Biggs himself. Tell him. Baba Biggs.
Big up, you know?
Tell him which way.
Close Baba and Spa. Shop 28, Pavilion Mall. Check it out here.
Bodies. Baba. Tell him again.
Yeah, man. The bodies. See?
So no, now we see the haircut and no thing goes. I don't know if you say anything wrong and I can forward and find him. But don't crucify him. You know, I'm a barber this for years. So that cruise barbers in halfway. 3. Big up yourself.
More life.
In anything. Alright, there on. Barbers. Okay. Cruise barbers. So you know anything. Well, as they can see me just with a fresh haircut. Big up yourself, barber. Pigs. The guys when you can check him out. When you're in arbitrary, you want to get a haircut. Can come get a haircut here, you know, as you can see. Tell me what you feel. Sharp enough. So that's my barber Biggs, you know, so people can check him out. Cruise barbers after 3. So you know what thing, we're going to hit the road now. You know, we're going to go head to see the Mwango. You know anything, we're going to take on the journey to our next parish. So bless up yourself. Remember guys, if you're watching, put the thumbs up. Kina life in Jamaica. Okay, copyright music. Yes, as I said, we're going to head to see the Mwango now. We're heading off to our parish near you. Remember guys, don't forget to put the thumbs up, like before watching. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. This is your boy Kina speaking. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. Remember, keep it positive. Positivity only. You know, nothing but love and love alone. And so we're going to keep it neutral and keep it moving. So today, we're on the journey. So let's stay tuned. You know, give yourself a shout out.
It's kick.com at Shakomako, SHAKOMAKO.
Okay, where you from?
From the UK,
Brixton?
Yeah.
But I was living on Brixton, right in front of the police station. You know the police station
Yes, I know, by the main hall,
Yeah, you see where you got the old registration office used to be? That's the building I used to live on.
That's crazy. It's a nice area, sure.
Yeah. So where you heading to now?
Huh?
Where you heading to?
I'm going to Starbucks to drink and then see where I'm going after.
Okay, well I'm heading to country now.
Who are you with? Are you with others?
I'm with the next YouTuber. She's from Kenya.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I'm going to meet up back with her. You know, but I'm going to drive all the way to Hanover.
So when are you going to drive off? Because I can make it, but I just need to get my...
Hello.
Can I give you a flight?
Yeah, thanks.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Yes, thank you.
No. I'm making up now. I just did some practice. I'm going to make up.
Alright, I'm going to get my Starbucks. Shall I meet you here?
Yes, I know.
Mother name Arlene Etley.
Oh, so it's the showers that watch it? So you recognize me?
I look good man and see character man.
Oh, alright, come.
Respect.
Yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. fire, burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then. Want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Imagine someone called me yesterday and said, Keenan cannot come to Trelawney. Well. You know, on my way to where the sun shine, I stop off at Trelawney. One more parish, one more border.
Oh, this is new parish.
Yeah, so. Well. Who
Hey
is
guys,
this?
long time. So finally he's back.
Long time.
And so be sure to subscribe, give the video a like, leave a comment, let us get to know what you think about today's video. Apparently we headed to a different parish. We're just about to check in, and Kiro says Trelawney.
She said Trelawney. So yeah, we stop off at Trelawney to stretch the legs them, because I've been driving from Kingston. And remember guys, I'm tall. So you know tall legs have to stretch out, so blood can go on. Right, D? So D is up and running again.
Let's see.
In a pretty down hairstyle. So guys, remember check out the Moango's channel on YouTube.
Subscribe. Road to 500,000.
Road to 500,000.
And keep watching our guys.
And road
We're
to
going for a vacation somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere near you. So anywhere the sun shine, that's where we're going. Remember, the sun is shining that direction, not that way. So yeah, it's that way.
We are on the wrong side because of the lighting.
Look, see the sun there, so we're following the sun.
Yeah.
Alright, we're following the sun, right?
Yeah, that's
so we're heading where the sun shining that way. So right now we are Trelawney border. Wait, it's not only Trelawney, let's see over here.
Oh, so then when we go in,
Yeah, so over here is Trelawney. This is Trelawney here. And the next side is Senton. Yeah, so over here is Trelawney.
Oh, over here.
Yeah.
Then in here is St. Anne, Ocho
Yeah.
Rios.
Yes.
Okay.
So right now here,
Shane number
Trelawney.
says Ocho Rios.
So now we're on the Trelawney border now. So we just crossed St. Anne. Now we're in Trelawney. So we're gonna head out guys. So stay tuned Remember to put the thumbs up, like the video, like the video, like the video. You know, like it's in Jamaica.
We've come from this. We've come from here. So how come? Now we're going to say
I know they do it. That's what they do it. This meaning that you're entering in Trelawney.
and that means you're getting into St. Anne's. Because it's like here we're from St. Anne's, we're supposed to be going this way. So how comes we are coming from this? Okay.
So that's what they do. So now them say they're entering Trelawney.
Okay, now I get it.
Yeah, so now we're leaving St. Anne's and then we enter in Trelawney. Right. No, well. Oliver, we just passed our house at the Hilton. Right, wow. Natisha, the whole team, Wormy. Remember Rose Hall, we just passed it, Hilton. Where's Oliver? Carla, we're going back? I'm ready, you know, I'm ready. We just passed our house a while ago at the Hilton. But Oliver and Carla take the team. You know, say it was me, Wormy. Oh, even the prefect went as well to Light Parks. There was so much that went to the Rosa. It was so nice there. You know, the lazy boy and the slide and everything. It was so lovely over there, trust me.
Maybe I need to try it.
Yeah, I need to try it.
I need to try it.
Oh,
yeah.
You know.
Oh, also this looks so good and there's so many. I've been to all these countries here, except Canada.
Yeah, man. So I guess we need to go back over there. Right, Oliver? I've been over there twice then. Twice. Yeah, I've been there with Light Parks and Prefect. You know, and then the next trip was with the wow chef Natisha and the kids them and Wormy. And trust me, wow chef steal the show. Wow chef, it was like him just reached Miami. And the man I rolled through with him suitcase. Wow chef I rolled with him suitcase. Like him just come off the plane. Whoa! You know, yeah man. It was a great experience, man.
Jamaica is beautiful, there's everything, you know. People think like there's nothing, there's literally actually your pockets will run dry if you don't know.
In Jamaica your pocket will run well dry.
There's everything that you think of. Think of luxury, you'll find it in Jamaica.
Of course. Jamaica, you just want to put money in your pocket.
Not little, you know? Good money. Why are you lying to them, kids?
No, but no, alright, a little mean from you have some money, it will be good. You know, but a little is okay. You can get by, but from you have something.
Only an Airbnb, not a resort.
Yeah.
$100 in a simple Airbnb.
Hey.
Look at that. That looks beautiful as well. Wow, the colors.
Nice, right?
Oh, it's a hospital.
Welcome to Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Who watch the movie? How did they come? This is the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. See the sign there?
Oh, they were acting.
Yeah. Jimmy Cliff. Have you seen that movie before, D?
No.
Yeah, Jimmy Cliff Boulevard.
Spend my life watching YouTube.
There they come. Guess who the first person to bring me right here? Guess.
Of course, Oliver. Can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong. You hear that, Oliver? Of course, Oliver, even D, you know. The first person to bring me around here is Oliver and Carla. Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. It's like a big street. You see these around here. See that's right. So welcome to the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, yes? Yeah. Over there you have trucks and record. Usain Bolt trucks and record. That's the man themselves. Usain Bolt trucks and record. You man get a board and so run here the whole heap of shopping plaza. You can shop to the truck. But you know you're gonna pay the foreign price. You know? And this is the Spanish hotel. But I think the Spanish hotel in Kingston is much better than this one. Yeah, even though I haven't been inside this one, but I've been to the one at Kingston. And guess because of who?
Carla's and
Oliver and Carla. Yeah, but now I like the moment a hotel and a resort you know because of Oliver and Carla. I am their adopted son, you know, so them spoil me because them say I deserve it because of the work I've been doing, you know. So we thank Uncle so much. Uncle, thank you so much. Auntie Carla, we thank you so much. Like the prefect could say, they are the mother and father for the dream team. Bring all the kids them go out like well. Yeah, like come on lads, we're going to resort. Come on, we're going for dinner. Come, hey, listen, other banks are big up. So the main street is this. That is Dr. K. That's the day, that's the exposure.
Yo, welcome to Jamaica.
Over here, Margaritaville. It is so rough. Look at that. Look. Oh my days. Look how rough the sea is. The sea is so rough. Give me a splash. Give me a splash now. Give me a splash. Yeah. The water is so rough. Look, you can see the look at the water. Big waves. Guys, this is how rough the sea is right now. Hey, you don't want to be in the boat. We'll make a stop. I guess we're in Montego there, so yeah, to get some fruits for D, because you know D need our fruits.
Yeah, and so let me know what you think about my outfit of the day. And guys, I have clocks.
So D is rocking our desert clock, guys.
I'm a big girl.
Big girl. So yeah, so D is rocking our desert clocks.
The brush, I need to brush.
What, the toothbrush?
Yeah.
So I never saw you with the brush. Where you put the brush?
Let me see, I think it's in my bag. Let me look for it.
Yes, so these wearing desert clocks from feet, you know? Yeah. Like Prime Minister, so got the fruits man here.
Yeah, I wanna get some fruits.
Fruits man, we gotta go around this and come back, right? We're gonna get some fruits.
You know why we can all so that we go with them in the car.
Yeah. Can't walk for the load and come back. Man, I'm sweet. How much you said these for?
2 bills a pound.
2 bills a pound. Alright, these, so we just go there and come back then. You have Western Union around here?
Outside.
It's working?
Right. Yeah man, right.
Alright then, so you get the melon. Yeah, guys, yeah. Yeah, so we're in Mobile Town getting some fruits, you know, for D, but first D want to go Get some. Oh, this way. So in the Mobile, whoops, accidents almost happened in Mobile town.
Right on our face.
Right, you know, right on camera. Right on camera, accident.
Okay, thank you.
Ah, this way. Wait. So you have a next driver. Yeah, him say go. So next driver say. You cannot trust this driver anything. One said go and next one says, yo, hit bumps and that's it. One first. So really. Right. And I said, see somebody? I told ya. Oh, we go upstairs, right? Scorch the upstairs. Yeah, upstairs. Go on. This way. This way.
Greetings.
Big up. Cool. See the funny thing, big up yourself.
Thank you for watching.
Told you. Oh yeah. We're about 50 minutes away from our destination. 50 minutes, so you know there's no more stopping after this. We're just driving, so you know it's a banana lady and a melon female. She eat those things like, whoa, she can eat up 24 banana in 1 hour. In 10 minutes, sorry. In 10 minutes. Yes, my general. So we need, oh, the small one in there. The sweet
The
one.
natural ones, right?
I don't want it, right?
Any one of them fry us on the straight front, I see him.
The mini one, yeah. I the same them one, yeah.
Every Friday
I see them?
Those ones
see
small.
everything fry, yeah, so.
No, not about prime, but about the banana.
Same thing. Only banana them.
I do all of my only banana.
The yeah, so see, like a time gross with children like that.
Okay, so I want the only banana.
Yeah.
Peel one
Only
dried
banana.
pineapple for me, please.
Banana is banana.
I want the peel, right? Get them. I like that bunch of banana there. Let me get that bunch. Get this bunch. I got this bunch as well. Early.
Hey, watch out. And they have to go to the left of the these sides are out right?
They 200 a pound. You get two. You get two.
Chop one.
Cut up. You want him to cut it up?
Actually cut, but cut and chop.
Slice it. Slice it up. Yes. And slice it up. It's not eat the banana, you don't pay for the banana yet. Guys, they eating the banana, she don't pay for it. So when them, so she's gonna eat up all the banana before paying for it. So what's gonna happen when the guy is gonna count? How much banana gone already?
We count this.
Oh, skins. You can slice up one of them here for please. I need 2 of them.
Wicked man.
D, calm down with the banana now. God damn.
Guys, the banana is one of my favorite fruits. I love. And when I eat them, I don't get hungry, you know? So good.
Yo, these guys can blow them on for no reason. There's a traffic. The car them now move. The taxi man. Yeah. This taxi man in Jamaica. They must blow. D. So guys, watch this. D's gonna eat up the banana before she even pay for it. She's gonna
3
eat
pieces
up
remaining. Look.
before she even pay for it. She'll eat it up. Imagine that.
Have nothing to go with. But this one has some lumps inside. That's no good.
No, because it's almost full, that's why. They do the sweet ones. They call honey banana.
Honey banana?
Honey, yeah.
Why?
You have to ask them why they call honey banana. How them call it honey banana?
And I taste.
Too sweet. Oh, because it's sweet like honey. Because it's sweet, right?
You see, it look like honey banana.
Okay. And all of us have clocks.
The animal clocks.
Yeah.
Clocks, man.
You need to up your game with those
I'm a play mango, of course.
500
Julie.
meters.
So guys, me have to go catch up with D, you know? D said me have to catch up, but me have to always go and wait. I will be pepper right now. I can't be tomato catch up, so me have to go and be pepper. You see me? So right now, she's not catch up, not pepper. So D, you eat up all the banana before you pay for them. Yeah, look at this.
Before she pay.
She eat up all the banana, she don't even pay for it as yet. And the guy and the man still appeal the pine. Yeah. Apple.
Next pineapple?
2 pineapple, right?
Yeah.
Because that's small.
I will carry one. You wanna eat it also?
No,
Finish this
try something, D. You can't eat everything on the spot.
So you can't manage it. So you can't
Come
carry
on, man. No, let them stay so man can count them. Eat up all the bananas so the man have to count the skins.
1,
You're really rough.
2,
Really rough.
3,
4,
5,
So take that shot there.
6, 7,
8, 9, 10,
Right?
10, 11.
11 bananas.
11 bananas. And I'm not full yet.
11 bananas she eat a while ago, brother. 13 bananas in less than 10 minutes.
No, depends by the type of banana.
Yeah, no, but she overall, she can sit down and eat her 24 bananas in less than 10 minutes. And I
Them a banana, you know, original banana, you know.
yeah,
All a bunch to eat.
alright. But she's a banana lover, you know?
Yeah.
She love banana.
She's a really banana lover, like.
Yeah, man, she's a banana lover, man. But you're still gonna get more banana, right, D?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boy, yo, big man.
She's a banana. These are his fingers. These called little finger banana.
But I don't know why they have the bumps inside. Why?
The bumps inside.
No, it should be smooth.
Why, daddy?
That's the way that you grow. Yeah, that's the best way.
Okay, that's it now.
You get bigger one than that.
Why are you taking
Yeah, one of them here, you get the bump, you know?
it? Has
Yeah.
more bumps?
No, you know, yeah, one of those ones.
I want a smooth one. Or this one. How much for one?
No, just charge a few like this, simple.
No, shout about this.
150.
100.
150. Alright, so
Guys, imagine the tangerine is 150 in Jamaica. In Kenya, this is like 20 for one.
$20.
Yeah, 20 Jamaican dollars.
I don't taste it.
Actually, 20 you have to get like 3, not 1.
yeah.
I know the papaya.
You have a bag, please? Yeah, captain. You have a slice of the melon. Tangerine.
Hey. It's not sour.
You want a sour one? sweet one.
Alright, 2 of this. So 4, 4, yes.
Slice up one for me. Slice up one.
Yeah, man, slice it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Everybody beats. Oh my days. Everybody beats. How much that?
Yes, 4.
Yeah?
2,000. Exactly.
It's a 2,000 exactly.
2,000 exactly.
Yeah.
How much is
Alright, yes, sir, yeah?
Yeah, respect. Yeah, man.
You have more types in the car?
Yeah. Planet of the Apes. They eat so much banana, boy. She eat all the banana before she even pay for it. 15 banana in less than a minute. You were born in the family of banana?
Yeah. Pure banana.
Pure banana. Well, them say we're all related to gorillas. That's why. That's why. But the town is busy. Christmas season day. Busy season. Yeah.
It's called antidote.
Well.
Welcome to Hanover. Welcome to Hanover, guys.
Yes. Hanover. Let me see. Hanover is on this side. Here. And this. So we're just leaving St. James. And now we're entering in Hanover. Hanover. Welcome. Hanover. Look, we got banana tree right on the corner. I guess we can get some banana D. Look, get some. I guess this is the welcome bananas right here. When you reach Hanover. Yeah. So guys, when you come Hanover, here's the welcome banana. So welcome you here, so I mean welcome to Hanover. You can pick a bunch and go. So yeah. So finally now we just come on. Huh?
Finally, welcoming them to Hanover.
Yeah. Go on, sir. So guys, finally we're welcoming you to Hanover.
And we want to take some pictures, so please follow us on Instagram, Kino Life in Jamaica, and D Mwango Official.
Yes guys, so check me out also on Instagram, Kino Life in Jamaica, Kino_life_in_Jamaica. I know the thing go. So everything is up, you go underscore. Yes, I know the link will always be in the description for D Mwango, and same way for Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, official Jamaica. Anything go. So we're here at Hanover. So come on, D. Picture time.
much impressed, you guys. You're not even ready. So basically, we are on vacation. Finally, Kino is back. Well, and we decided, yo, we wanna go somewhere and have a good time. So as you all see peeps from outside, you can imagine what's inside. I love the setup. Everything is beautiful. Like the details. Wow, look at that. This is beautiful. Wow.
Well. Oh, look. We got company. Hello. Good night. Well. So finally, we're here. We're here. Finally, we reach. It's been a long day driving. The festive traffic. Listen, there's so much traffic on the road.
I'm not even working. No video for you guys.
Yeah,
I just need to enjoy.
There is so much traffic on the road today. I'm telling you, we just reached. Imagine, because you saw the video from daylight. Yeah, so now we're in Hanover, Lucea. My first time here. The first time, obviously. But my first time here in Hanover. So big up yourself, Oliver. And bring me the closest to Hanover, like not far away from here. It's probably about 20 minutes. So almost here. But finally we're here now and we love the gate. But tomorrow, guys, you will see the full view. But now, when it comes to the room time. So you got to choose out of my room or these
Of course, guys, my room is the master bedroom, so you don't know the tingo, it's the best.
But guys,
like the empress that I am.
Listen, she's just gonna choose. She's just gonna take a door, and I'm gonna take a door because she's not gonna know which room is hers. Cause with bathroom, I'm always winning when it comes to bathroom. I think it's 1-1, right? I guess it's 1-1.
Yeah, where are the keys? Then we choose.
Well, no, there's no keys.
Oh,
so
has no keys?
No, so we have to punch. So it's a key code guard, so you have to have the key code to get in. So there's no key. So I guess you cannot see the key code. But hopefully this time I can win on the room and can win on the bathroom. Because I think it's 1-1. Yeah, but I'm always winning on bathroom for some reason. So let's go see. So D, we're ready to enter?
Yo, it's beautiful, you guys. You're not even ready.
So guys, as I'm saying, you're gonna get the proper room tour and as well for this Airbnb where you can come and check it out.
When you come to Jamaica, you need somewhere to relax. Maybe you're having a date or something. Any vacation, staycation, you just wanna spoil yourself, feel good.
Yeah.
When you come back to Jamaica as holiday, this is the best place to book, guys. Remember, you never go wrong with us. We show you nothing but the best. And I just must say, it's in a gated community. Beautiful. You're gonna see that after this part of the video. Yeah. So meanwhile, let's check it out.
Trust me, so from the link, but we check it out on the website. It is mwah. Yeah. Now we're on the outside. I cannot wait to get inside. But I cannot wait to see my room. I don't care what the room. So D, punch the code.
On what?
So D is gonna punch the code. Pop. Alright, so she's ready.
Oh, I open. Oh.
Din. Wow.
You guys don't even get it. It feels so good.
Wow.
This is a true staycation. So guys, as we always say, we give you nothing but the best. When you're coming to Jamaica.
Wow. Woo. Whoa. This is Christmas.
Holiday.
Wow. We got big TV and watch. Even though we don't watch TV because when you do YouTube, you don't get time to watch TV.
Hey, for sure, I have finally said yes. It's beautiful. Jamaica is. Yes, guys, you all need to come to Jamaica. You all need to come to Jamaica.
Imagine this. I like this. Look at this. Settee looking so brand new.
You call it what? Settee?
Yeah.
Not settee.
No, we call it settee in Jamaica. You got settee and you call it couch. So it's two names for it.
So what makes this settee?
Well, that's what they call it here.
Oh,
settee. Me like sit in the couch.
It just reminds me when I was doing my parents' house makeover. Then when I was showing it off to my mom and my young brother came in and my mother asked my young brother, "Are your legs clean?"
Are your legs clean?
I just took off my clocks.
Hey, so imagine, guys, the $30,000 clocks or desert clocks have to stay outside. You
can show them the outside.
Yeah, let me show you the clocks. In the corner, right there. Because guess what? Guys, she leave the toothbrush. So without the toothbrush, the class cannot come in.
Yeah, I have to brush them first before putting them in.
Yeah. So well, listen, in here is very antique. I like this table. Look at this. Wow. This is like a knight's table, D.
It's beautiful. I just must say the person who did the deco did an amazing job.
Yeah.
This is so me. This is what I love. And guys, I can't wait to show you my house makeover for Christmas.
Wow.
Let's see if I'll do some good job as well.
I like this.
So I love this. This is the beach, the palm trees. As you all know, I love the jelly. I need to pluck some jelly and drink.
Yeah, but these ones, sorry, them dry is coconuts.
Look at that. Details. Huh?
Yeah,
Wow, this is beautiful. Then this is the dining area.
Wow.
To eat the food from. As you all know, we are good chefs. Most when Kina is around.
Big chef. Look at them, I like the table. What kind of wood is this? Can you tell?
Pimento wood.
No? Pimento. No.
Mahogany. Which one is it? The most popular wood
to be
in
honest,
Jamaica.
I'm not sure which wood, but this is pretty good. You know, I like this table.
Hey, look at the
And I like-
flowers. Yo, guys, look at that.
Wow.
Beautiful.
And I like the chair as well too. Look.
Comfy. Sit on it, Kino, but don't make it dirty, please.
I am clean.
Joking.
So I'm sitting,
Eating.
eating, put on my jiveler. You know, you have to wear your jiveler, right? Because I don't want to see no patty crumbs. First of all, I don't eat no patty in here. All patty I eat outside. Right? No patty in here. So guys, I like this. Really comfortable.
Beautiful.
I really like it.
What did I say immediately I got in? I should have my own house now.
Well, I'm telling you. Imagine that's the same things running through my mind right now. I need my own like this.
Yeah.
You know, nice Airbnb. But trust me, guys, when you book this, you cannot go wrong. You know, look. We get our welcome package.
I was like, yo, how did she know I love bananas? But definitely she's part of Team B, Team Kino, Dream Team, One Team.
Yes,
so she knows us better.
Look at this. I'm like the wall. Many I like this.
This is beautiful.
See, that's exactly the beach that's across. So guys, there's a beach as well too. So we're literally on the ocean front. You know, and the kitchen.
Wow, look at the complimentary.
Hey.
Wow, plantain chips. Everything.
Hey, Jamaican way.
Hey,
And you know where Kina love the most?
the kitchen.
Kitchen. You know, check it out, guys. So when you come here, the place is so wonderful. I'm not even lying. You cannot go wrong. You cannot
This
go
is so
wrong.
stylish. Look at it. Wow, wow.
And these are the classic ones. When you go, you know, when you're ready, you go pop, right? And you got your kitchen cupboards.
Look at the mats. Wow, beautiful.
Yeah.
Kino, are your legs clean?
No, them dirty. Alright guys, so we have a big microwave in here. Wow. This place is pretty brand
Spotless,
new.
like
It's brand
extremely
new.
clean.
Yes. Kitchen.
Wow, we are so much impressed. Wow.
So impressed. So this my ratings for this.
10 out of 10 minus none. I think this is the best Airbnb so far we've ever stayed in.
To be honest, it is the best.
This and the one at Drax Hall.
Yeah, but this one is leading. For me, this is lead. This is my number
Yeah, it's
one.
leading.
Look, coffee
This
maker.
Yeah, this is number one.
And we got toaster.
Everything.
You know, is this Siri? No?
We even have a microwave. We were like, we need to make some porridge.
Smoothie. Put it in. So here we can blend up the same nuts and everything if you want to make porridge.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. Woo! I wouldn't ask for any other thing better for this vacation.
Just. And the
Every
we got
day
a
in a
big
holiday.
fridge. This is the biggest fridge. We can hide inside the fridge. In here, a big freezer.
Yeah, let me get in.
Get in the fridge. Get in the fridge. Get in. It's so big.
It's so beautiful though.
Hey,
Wow!
look
You
at that.
guys, yeah!
Complimentary.
What a surprise!
What
a surprise!
Hey, we have to thank you so much for this surprise. She got what she
everything
need
that I need.
is here. They're really
I even feel a headache now. Like I'm so excited. Honestly, I swear on this side, I'm like, yeah.
She's really a team D. Wow.
This one, she's really a team D.
Yeah, and
Now
I get the red stripe. Thank you so much. I got the red stripe. She's got the bear, but you know, we're gonna share the jelly anyway.
And also we have the Hennessy.
Many see. I'm not lie, I'm so feeling like Christmas.
Wow.
You know?
Wow, guys. Me, I just don't know what to say.
It's lovely. Listen, I'm speechless. You know, bless the food before us. You know, the family. Hey, listen, this is so wonderful.
The love between us. Amen.
Look on the clock on the wall, like a splash.
Tell you.
The dash. So guys, just tell me if you're ready for the big moments.
Yeah.
The feature present.
Beautiful. God bless the food before us, the family beside us, the love between us. Amen.
Amen. So guys, imagine you're ready. Are you ready? Oh, no.
I think I have so many notes to take because
so
when I
many
get
notes.
to my own place, look at that. That's beautiful.
I like the idea as well too with this glass sheen. I think they're very creative, you know.
Hey,
This place.
the curtains go hand in hand with the settee, as Kino says. Like this is so Instagrammable.
Hey, I'm telling you.
This
And
is
look,
beautiful.
don't forget your ceiling fan.
Yeah.
Ain't spinning yet. You have your AC.
Look at the lamps. Wow.
Trust me.
Wow. Wow.
You notice something? You don't know? You notice something yet? You notice? It's a sensor. The lights, them is sensor.
Yeah.
The lights, them are sensor. You either turn off without you have to turn them on and turn on. And look at this. Look at this antique.
Wow, guys. Woo. This is beautiful.
That is Mama Africa. That is the Mwango.
African Empress.
African Empress.
Woo. We have the candles. We will be lighting them in a few.
And look, she know I like football.
Everything, like she really knows us
She watch me.
in and out. Huh?
It's cute, you see.
Make sure you don't make the place dirty, Kino.
Imagine that. That's how glad I'm always got my room. So if anything else, lock myself. So D, guys, you ready for this? Moments like
ready.
this, D.
We haven't shown them the washroom and the laundry area
Okay,
before we
come
show
on.
them the
And
bathroom.
that's where you belong.
I love washing, guys. Trust
So
me.
this is where
I
she
love doing
belongs.
laundry. Every day I have to shop for laundry, for laundry soap and everything.
See that? Like automatic.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Very
What else
beautiful.
can you ask for? You have the washer and the dryer at the same time. She's so organized and clean. Everything is spotless.
You got the sink over there.
To wash the white clothes.
Wow, it's very organized. Very, very organized.
Oh, you have the door to the outside if you want to go out also.
Okay, but I guess they will see that tomorrow in the day.
Yeah.
You stick to them in the night. So look, laundry room.
Yeah.
Here's a sign. The laundry room is
Laundry room.
looking at me dirty again. So D, whenever you see looking at you dirty again, that's you. Laundry today, naked tomorrow. Wash, dry, repeat.
Yeah.
D.
My weakness is folding.
Hey. Oh, so I guess this now we have to.
This is where you put your dirty clothes.
Yeah. There you go. And I guess everything here is very brand new because this estate is new.
New?
It's a new housing.
It's
scheme.
spotless.
Yeah. So everything is new. I like the tiling as well too.
Beautiful.
Everything complements itself. What is it? I remember, guys, look how long we've been in the living room, to the kitchen, to the washroom, and we haven't go into the bedrooms. So come here, D. Come, we're gonna do a kind toss. We got rooms.
1 or 2 years we need to
Yeah.
do something.
Oh, I got kind.
Yeah.
I got kind. So there's.
So there's the master bedroom
So there's 2 rooms.
This-
There's one on my right,
and
one on my left.
crossing fingers.
So D is gonna spin for the one on the left or the one on the right. So
So how do you know for the left?
So alright then. So let me see. If you get it right, you can choose
The
either
head or the tail. Let's
Yeah.
do this.
So-
If the coin comes this side, if it's this is the master bedroom.
No. What we're gonna choose? If you're gonna call, if you say Ed, you have the right to choose anyone.
No,
course.
let's do it when we spin. Like you have to say whether it's head or tail.
No, because remember we don't know what's inside the room. So if you call, right, and you miss your call, I have to Alright, so guys, as I was saying, she's gonna call heads or tail, and if she missed the call, that means I'm gonna choose. And if she get it, she choose first. So we don't know which room, if it's the one on the right or the one on the left. So here we got tail for the tail and head for the head. So I'm gonna spin while it's in the air. You're gonna call, right? Ready?
Tail.
Tail. All right. So you're the one on your left, and you're the one on the right.
Hey, I'm going here. Guys, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Guys,
this is my room. Yeah, you guys, my guys.
Guys, look at this is the room. Wow.
Wow.
What a big bed.
This is my bed, guys. Kina is going to sleep in the kitchen.
Wow. Oh, Dave, I like your closet. I guess this is your closet,
beautiful,
right?
sliding closet.
When the light comes on.
Wow, look at this.
It's very nice. Guys, you need to come and book this A, B,
I even
and
have a
B.
yoga mat.
A, B, and B.
Look at the mirror, guys. And I'm looking so sexy, gaining so much weight, but I love it same way.
Hey, but listen, B, you win again for the room. Yes, guys, so she win again for the room. You know, no, well, you don't know. I'm gonna check my room now. So look,
guys,
I like her. We call this now. In Jamaica, we call dresser drawers. Dresser drawers. What do you call them?
Wardrobes.
Wardrobes. This is not wardrobe, so we call them dresser drawers.
This is beautiful. Like, wow, my new sunglasses.
Put your glasses on. Put your glasses on, Dee. Put your glasses on.
They can't fit on my face.
Alright, that's all it on your face.
Yeah.
That's all it is. So well done. Congratulations, you know, for your room. I like your bed. I like everything. I got
the mirror.
TV.
You haven't told them we have a mirror too.
And she got a mirror on the wall. Who's got the best room after all?
Let's see Kino. So guys, personally I give it a 10 out of 10. This is just an inspiration to me because actually I'm so happy my brother now has his mansion complete, his villa. I'm next. So I'm taking notes and I can't wait.
Okay. So guys, are you ready? Alright, let's go over my room now.
Look at the setting. Look at the flowers. You didn't show them the details. Guys, look at that. This is beautiful.
Just.
True vacation. Wow.
Sandy toes.
Safety kisses. Salty kisses.
Salty kisses. So okay. So guys. Alright. So let's go over by my room. Congratulations, you win.
And it's crazy how I won.
Exactly. So let's see my room.
But one thing I know about me, I'm a lucky girl.
Very lucky.
That's what I know for sure.
For sure.
Sometimes I just look back and I'm like, yo, I'm so lucky.
That is true. She's very lucky. So let's go in my room now.
Wow.
What? Guess what I got?
So good.
Guess what I got?
What?
I got a bathroom in my room. Bathroom in my room.
What do you mean?
No, but your bathroom is outside. No, but your bathroom is outside. Alright, look, guys.
It's not outside.
Alright, it's outside the room. Alright, come on, my room.
No, come, let's finish this
Alright,
first. So guys, welcome to where I'll be taking my shower. I just love it. I can't wait to do my skincare routine and everything. We have soap. Let me show you because Kina doesn't want to show me. I have my wow, look at this. This is so thoughtful. Look at that. Wow, guys. Yo, look at the details. Shampoo, relaxing bath gel, everything. Look at the mirror. Yo, it looks so good.
Well.
Whoa.
Yes, guys. So look, I like
the battery got hot. That's one of the weakness of GoPro 12, you know. So I have my sink here, very clean and spotless. I have my makeup towels to remove them. Then look at that. Wow,
lovely.
You guys, lovely. Then this is the shower area. Look at that, very clean and spotless. You all need to book this place.
Yes.
Beautiful, 10 out of 10. Minus nothing.
Nothing. So guys, let's go back to Kino's room. Alright then, so be complete. Oh, I still love my room.
It's beautiful. Look at the carpet.
Lovely. Look at the carpet, guys. Lovely. I really like it. You know, even though my bed is not big as yours,
it's enough.
It's enough, but I like this. And the thing that stands out the most for me is having my bathroom in my room. I don't have to come out the room Because look guys, my bathroom is in my room.
And
so
there's
it's
a TV in your room.
Yes, and you got TV as well too on your wall. So guys, look at my bathroom, yeah?
Oh yeah, I have a TV too.
Yeah, so it's very lovely, you know. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. I like the carpet as well too, you know. It's my space. It's my space under the shower. Having a shower. Look, see up there, I got towels just like you and everything. So it's my ensuite.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. This place is so lovely. I'm not lying.
Look at the stuff. It's like the details. Me, I don't know.
The toothbrush holder.
Everything.
You know, look, they're very creative, you know.
Look at the mirror. Like, yo.
They're very
beautiful.
creative, you know.
I'm literally taking note. Look at the bathroom design.
I like it. Very creative.
Yeah.
That's what I can say. They're very creative. I like the idea. You know, we should all take notes. Who's watching, you should take notes. And if you haven't booked yet, what you're waiting on? The link
when you come
will
to Jamaica, come for holiday here.
Listen, you have to come here. We're here in Hanover, Lucea. You know, we're at Ocean Point. You know, at Ocean Point, you cannot go wrong right here. But I love this. I even love my dresser drawer. I like this.
Oh, there's also another yoga mat.
Yeah, yoga mat in here?
Yeah.
Wow. My one is proper wooden, and I've got. What can I say?
The map of the world. Africa is right here. D comes from here. Kenya.
Look, they're representing as well too. You know, they're representing. The thing is that takes me most the idea that I got. You know, cause if I was buying stuff, I wouldn't say, oh, I'm gonna buy this to put on my dresser, or I'm gonna buy this, or I'm gonna buy that. But when you actually already buy it, you know, and put it up there, you're like, wow. You know, thinking out the box.
Yeah.
You know, I got my AC in the room. You know, I got the. What's this now? This is the blow dryer, air dryer. One of the dryers.
Iron for ironing your clothes.
Oh, is that iron this?
Yes.
You see?
Of course. Alright, I'm not so sure about it looks like this.
It's not.
Yeah, it's for ironing clothes, the steam iron.
No, it looks like.
Let's try it on the wall, you'll see. Then you just hang your clothes and.
Okay, maybe. And you got the yoga mat. Yeah, I like it. What's that? Turn that light on back.
No, not light. I'm turning on the AC.
I shouldn't see a light just come on and come off. But I like it though. It's so beautiful. I like it. I love it. Though I don't like it. I love it.
And we have another closet here.
Oh, I guess that's closed.
So let us get to know what you think about it. But honestly, it's a 10 out of 10.
Yes, guys. So tell me what you think. You know, this is not a 10 out of 10. This is a 100 out of 100.
Yeah, I was just rating it in a span of 10.
You know, TV on. Siri, TV on.
Wow.
Look at that. Imagine it. You don't even have time to watch TV.
Yeah, at all.
I called a friend of mine whose husband is that in the
You don't even have time to watch TV.
It's my
Alright, let's mute it. You don't even have time to watch TV when you know it says work. And this is a big TV on the wall.
Have the details of this place.
Yeah. Because from my eye view, sitting down here, relaxing, watching TV.
Watching D Mwango. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.
The Mwango, you can go on YouTube now.
Yeah.
I think is that one, right?
Let's see.
Now you have to sign in? No, YouTube. You can read books.
Okay, let's
This
fast do
one.
the tours fast and finish.
Yes, so. Wow. Guys, never seems to amaze me. This is so wonderful, but not lie. You know, we give thanks with Ocean Point. You know, this is a wonderful Airbnb. As guys, I'm saying you need to start booking. So tomorrow now you can get the view in the day. You know, you can see what the area is like, and trust me. Music. Yeah, so you get the view in the day tomorrow, and you can see what the place is like. Wow, this is so lovely. So lovely, I'm not even lying. Guys, so stay tuned for tomorrow. Remember, if you're watching, give the video a like, put the thumbs up, put the thumbs up, put the thumbs up if you're watching. So tomorrow stay tuned, we're gonna give you a highlight of the area. So we're here in Ocean View, you know, Ocean Point. Please, you need to check it out. Check it out. Lucea, Hanover. You know, you need to check it out, trust me. Here we cannot go wrong. Woo! Dream team, one team. Blessed love to all, blessed love. Well. Demo go. So guys, so check out Demo go. Now she's on the road to 500.
Half a million. There
Half
you
a
go.
million.
That's the name. That's me on the big screen.
That's D on the big screen.
Yes.
Pranking Mr. Ben. You know the thing go. You know, I remember check out Kino live in Jamaica. We're on the road to 50k. You know, so we're almost 40. You know, for this week we're reaching 40, and then we'll be hunting down 50, and then hunt to the 100, and we'll keep climbing and keep growing. Let's do this. So that is it. So stay tuned. Dream team, one team. Well. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.